95% of drivers have no idea their car is hiding 17 features that could save them thousands in repairs. One of these could literally be a lifesaver, and you've probably been overlooking it for years. These aren't gimmicks. These are money-saving secrets that separate smart drivers from everyone else. I'm about to reveal features that have been hiding in plain sight, costing you money and convenience every single day you don't use them. Hidden feature number 1, the key fob range amplifier. Here's a trick dealerships never tell you about. Hold your key fob against your head and watch your range jump from 30 feet to over 85 feet instantly. Your brain is 85% water, which acts as a conductor for electromagnetic waves, boosting your fob's signal strength dramatically. This isn't just a party trick. It's science that can save you from wandering around massive parking lots, clicking helplessly. Plus, most key fobs hide a mechanical backup key inside that tiny latch on the side. When your battery dies, flip that latch and boom, instant access. Hidden feature number 2, the secret storage network. Car manufacturers have been hiding storage compartments throughout your vehicle for over 10 years. Jeep Grand Cherokees have hidden stashes that thieves would never find. Infiniti G35s hide compartments in rear armrests. Volkswagen Golfs conceal storage under driver seats. Toyota Hilux models even include dash compartments that double as drink coolers. Some compartments are so well hidden that owners discover them years later, sometimes finding belongings from previous owners. Spend this weekend exploring your car. You might uncover automotive treasure. Hidden feature number 3, the remote climate control system. Ever wish you could cool your car before getting in on blazing hot days? You can! On Kias, Volkswagens, and Hyundais, hold the unlock button for 3 seconds and watch your windows roll down remotely like magic. Honda and Volvo make it even easier. Press unlock once, then hold again. No remote? Insert your key in the door lock. Turn to unlock, then hold clockwise to drop windows. This feature is literally a lifesaver when interior temperatures hit 130 to 170 degrees in direct sunlight. Hidden feature number 4, the drowsiness detection lifesaver. If your dashboard flashes a coffee cup icon, it's not suggesting Starbucks. It's warning that you're falling asleep behind the wheel. Modern systems monitor facial expressions for tiredness signs like frequent blinking and head nodding. Some analyze driving patterns, alerting you when concentration wavers. According to safety data, drowsy driving causes 100,000 crashes, 71,000 injuries, and 1,550 deaths annually. When your car says it's coffee time, it's literally trying to save your life. Hidden feature number 5, the road condition warning system. That snowflake symbol on your dashboard isn't decoration, it's a smart temperature sensor warning you about potentially icy roads. According to Safety Administration data, 156,000 crashes happen annually due to icy conditions that this system could help prevent. Advanced models even share road condition data with other nearby vehicles, creating a live safety network. It's like having weather spotters driving ahead of you, sending real-time updates to keep everyone safer. Hidden feature number 6, the DIY tire pressure reset. Most drivers know their car alerts them to low tire pressure, but did you know you can reset the system yourself instead of paying mechanics $50? After inflating tires to recommended PSI, many vehicles need a simple reset for proper recalibration. In Hondas, hold the tire pressure button in the glove box until the light blinks 3 times. Toyotas require turning ignition to on and holding the TPMS reset button for several seconds. This quick DIY fix keeps your dashboard clean and your wallet happy. Hidden feature number 7, the hidden remote start capability. Up to 90% of new vehicles include remote start capabilities even without obvious buttons. If your key fob has a circular arrow icon, you're set. But even models without this symbol often hide remote start features. For Lexus, Mazda, or Toyota vehicles, press lock twice, then hold on the third press. BMW owners tap lock 3 times quickly. Remote start isn't just convenient, it's beneficial for your engine by allowing proper warm-up in cold weather and pre-cooling in extreme heat. Hidden feature number 8, the fuel door indicator secret. Stop making embarrassing mistakes at gas stations. That tiny arrow next to your fuel gauge icon shows you which side your gas cap is on. This feature has existed since the early 1990s, yet 50% of drivers still don't know about it. Say goodbye to awkward pump side switches and stretching fuel hoses across your car like a circus performer. This simple glance at your dashboard instantly tells you which side to approach, especially valuable when driving rental cars or borrowed vehicles. Hidden feature number 9, the parent's secret weapon. 3-row SUVs and minivans often hide a conversation mirror in the sunglass holder above your rearview mirror. Flip it open for a perfect view of backseat activity without dangerous neck twisting while driving. Parents know the terror of sudden backseat silence. Is your toddler napping peacefully or feeding crayons to their sibling? This mirror solves the mystery safely. It's also perfect for monitoring pets during road trips, ensuring your dog isn't chewing seat belts or your cat hasn't escaped their carrier. Hidden feature number 10, the windshield wiper intelligence system. Ever notice wipers overreacting to light drizzle or failing during downpours? Many modern cars have adjustable rain sensor sensitivity. Subaru, Ford, and Mercedes vehicles let you fine-tune this through infotainment systems or steering wheel controls. The system uses optical sensors to detect raindrop size and frequency, adjusting wiper speed automatically. Proper calibration keeps visibility clear while extending wiper blade life by avoiding unnecessary wear from overactivity during light rain. Hidden feature number 11, the fuel cap security hook. This one's so simple you'll kick yourself for missing it. Inside your fuel door is a small hook or notch specifically designed to hold your gas cap while pumping. 95% of drivers never use it, but here's why you should. Letting your cap hang loose or placing it on your car can scratch paint, allow dirt into your fuel system, and eventually clog your injectors. That's a $3,000 repair waiting to happen. This 2-second habit provides free engine protection and prevents the embarrassment of driving away with your cap on the roof. Hidden feature number 12. The tire inflation assistant Nissan's EasyFill tire alert system makes tire maintenance almost enjoyable. In Rogues, Altimas, and Pathfinders, your car actually tells you when tire pressure is perfect. Leave the ignition on while pumping, and exterior lights flash to show the system is active. When pressure reaches the ideal PSI, your car honks. GMC Cadillac and Jeep models include similar features. This eliminates guesswork and ensures optimal pressure for safety and performance, since 90% of drivers chronically underinflate their tires. Hidden feature number 13, the color-coded maintenance system. Ever wonder why some engine components are bright yellow while others are gray? It's not random design, it's a secret code. Automakers use colors to show you which parts are safe for DIY maintenance and which require professional service. Yellow caps usually mean oil, blue indicates coolant or washer fluid, and red typically signals transmission fluid. Those bright colored caps are saying, hey, you can safely top this off yourself. Learning this code can save you hundreds in unnecessary shop visits. Hidden feature number 14, the emergency transmission override picture. This nightmare scenario, your battery dies in traffic and you can't shift into neutral to push your car to safety. But wait, near your gear shifter is a hidden emergency shift lock release under a small plastic cover. Pop off that cover with your key, press the button underneath, and boom! You can shift without any battery power. This tiny feature could save you from blocking traffic for hours while road rage builds behind you. Take 5 minutes today to find this lifesaver before you actually need it. Hidden feature number 15, the built-in air purification system. That button with the car and circular arrow on your dashboard isn't decoration. It's your secret weapon against pollution. The recirculation button acts like a protective shield, blocking diesel fumes, construction dust, and even those awful farm smells on country roads. Here's what's amazing. It doesn't just protect your lungs, it supercharges your AC performance by 20%. Your air conditioning works faster and lasts longer because it's cooling already cooled air instead of fighting hot outside air. Hidden feature number 16, the anti-glare mirror solution. That little tab at the bottom of your rear view mirror is a game changer for night driving. Flip it when those blinding high beams behind you turn driving into torture. It uses physics to redirect harsh light toward your car's ceiling instead of your eyes, maintaining visibility without the blindness. 14% of drivers over 65 avoid night driving altogether because of glare problems, but this simple flip solves it instantly. Modern auto-dimming mirrors take it further with special gel that darkens automatically. Hidden feature number 17, the night vision technology. Some cars actually come with night vision using infrared sensors and thermal imaging. These systems reveal objects up to 600 feet ahead with active systems or 1,000 feet with passive thermal detection. You'll find this in luxury vehicles like BMW X5s, Audi A8s, and Mercedes S-Class models, but aftermarket options are becoming affordable. Military-grade technology lets you spot animals and pedestrians in total darkness well before headlights reach them. These 17 hidden features have been costing you money and convenience while you remained completely unaware of their existence. The automotive industry doesn't advertise these capabilities because they want you dependent on dealership services and premium upgrades. Now you have the knowledge to unlock your car's full potential and join the 10% of drivers who actually know what they're driving. Which feature shocked you the most? Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going to try first. If this video just saved you from expensive shop visits, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider automotive secrets. Drop scammed if a dealership charged you hundreds for something this simple.